Welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a simple home remedy that you can prepare in the comfort of your home. This remedy is going to help tone your face, going to give you a radiant and bright skin, going to give you a moisturized and beautiful skin. If this is your first time stopping by, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below and share this video with your friends if you find it interesting and useful. Rose water is rich in antioxidant properties, it's rich in antibacterial properties, it's also very rich in moisturizing properties too. It also contains toning properties that is going to help moisturize, tone your skin, give you that radiant and glowy skin, leaving your skin beautiful, and it's going to help reduce the aging rate of your skin. Saffron flower. Saffron flower contains lightening properties. It helps to glow the skin. It contains vitamin A, C, and vitamin B. It helps cure any kind of inflammation on the skin. It's going to help keep your skin hydrated and repair any damages caused by the sun. It's going to get rid of free radicals and promote circulation on your face. Take 2 teaspoons of the rose water. Next, you just need very small quantity of the saffron flour. That quantity. We stir properly. Then we allow the saffron flour to soak into the rose water. We apply. So our saffron flour is completely soaked. Now you use this to massage on your face in a circular motion. You massage all through your face. Then you leave this on till it's completely dried. After 10 minutes, you wash it off with lukewarm water. You continue this for like twice in a week. Then in 2 weeks, you should be getting your results. You discover that your skin is more radiant, glowing, and more beautiful, and even younger than ever. So guys, this is all there is to this video. If you found it helpful or interesting, please share it with your friends and give us a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new and useful videos like this on this channel. Till my next video, I'll see you all very soon.